welcome back. I'm going to open up another pack of the NBA Hoops, 15 cards inside. Got it from a friend of mine in a trade, so let's see what we get today. Excited to open up these packs. They're fun to open. See what you get. So we're going to open up the 12 card pack first. All right, first player is Kevon Looney of the Warriors. Then we have Bismack Biyombo. And then we have Shea Gorgeous Alexander. And Vince Carter. Surprising he's still playing. Damian Lillard. Nice. Cool. Marcus Morris Sr. And look at this. We got Julius Erving, a special card. And it looks like I had one that stuck. Sorry about that. We got a rookie card of Grant Williams. Julius Erving, that's always sweet. My favorite all-time basketball player. He was awesome. All right, we got Junior Smith, silver. Nice. Silver prism of the Lakers. Nice. And then we get the green insert of Frank of the New York Knickerbockers. And then we get an NBA City of Jackson Jr. That's cool. All right, let's open up the bonus pack. See what we get in the bonus pack. Didn't get too many rookies in that last pack, but sometimes happens. Ooh, cool, nice. Got that one there. Derek White and Al Horford. Okay, in that pack, the highlights were a rookie card of Grant Williams. We got those there. We got a green one, and we got a silver, and we got the Julius Erving and the NBA City. All right, well, thanks for watching this time, and we'll see you next time.